Welcome to another video, guys. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to look at Online Sales Pro. Now, I'm going to tell you guys a bit of a story, something that has been. This is a true testimonial for those people who don't know about me and who don't know about Online Sales Pro. As I start to do more of these videos, I'm 100% sure that there'll be more people who will be looking out for this information. So I really want to talk about it and get the news out there. But Online Sales Pro, guys, has been is the heartbeat of my system that's called the Pro system. You can find a link to this the system in the description of this video. But the Pro system is something that I built in May, which over the last few years I've been a part of various businesses online and had ups and downs. And the ones that I stuck with, I built individual systems for each of them. But I did not have a chance to actually put everything together. So I've used Online Sales Pro over the last 2.5 years to build to build for myself training systems. Okay, so training systems, what does that mean? Without promoting anything, I give value to people by creating training websites with the help of Online Sales Pro. What does it specifically look like? It looks like exactly what it is built for. Online Sales Pro is a funnel building. They make pages and they have an amazing app and amazing software. Let me just show you guys quickly the app if you guys can see it. Let's go ahead and show it to you. Just give me a second while I find it. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is the one on the top right there. That's Online Sales Pro. Okay, and if I open, I want to just show you quickly. This is how the app looks like. And what it does, basically, it enables me to have immediate access to the leads that come into my system. I can talk to them. I can SMS them. I can do so many things with the app that they can even help me with my marketing. And that's the reason why there's so much to happen. So I built training websites. What I was saying was I built training websites on it, and I use that to empower the students I had, the people I was working with, my team, etc. But more than anything else, guys, the beauty in all of this is one and only one thing. It helped me build the Pro system. The Pro system has changed my life completely. Okay, it's put things together. People understand it. They want more. They're seeking the guidance. And without a doubt, I would not be able to build the Pro system without Online Sales Pro. So it has been a phenomenal help for me, and it does so many things. So let me just go through just a small section. Okay, I'm going to click over here. I want to show you guys just this one page. Now, I'm not sure if you're going to find this page down below, but if you do want to check it out, there is going to be a link directly to Online Sales Pro. So it should be the third link, which is directly to Online Sales Pro. And you can check out the tools that I have and what they do. So Online Sales Pro has helped a lot of entrepreneurs over the years. Okay, it has, as I said, landing pages. It has templates which are literally turnkey. All you need to do is, and one of them is this. Like, I mean, look at it. It's an amazing template that you can just sell and send people here, and that's it. It helps you build massive email lists. Online Sales Pro, I know people personally who have over 200 or 300,000 emails built all through Online Sales Pro. I even give you the fact that, for example, the highest amount of leads this week has been, this month is Adriana Villegas, who has 630,000 leads that she's got through Online Sales Pro, which means she's using it as a CRM, like as a contact manager with everything. Okay, unlocking key earning, and you can earn obviously thousands per day because it has a referral commission. You earn $20 on every person that you bring in. So even if you bring in, I don't know, say if you bring in 2,000 people, okay, just to give you guys an idea, okay, of how, let's say just 2,000 people you bring in, okay. Even I know 2,000 people is a lot, so let's just specifically say 500 people. Okay, you get 500 people, and with each one you get a earning of 20. So that's already a $10,000 income. All you need is a team that 500 people are using this software under you, that you brought 500 people in and they're using it, and you're teaching them how to use it every single day. You will earn $10,000 per month every single day with the system. So you can earn thousands, literally. Then you have pre-built funnels for specific specific markets that you're in, specific you can ask them to build a funnel for you for your business. If it's a good thing, you have to be a leader and stuff like that, but you can get it done from them. They have huge passive opportunities with Online Sales Pro. As I said, they build your list fast and has amazing community. And just look at this page, okay? This is what it has to offer. There's so much more that it offers that I'm not even going to go into the details, but this app is crazy. Online Sales Pro is amazing. And so easy to, literally under 1 minute, I can create a template, a landing page and stuff like that. And as you can see here, the sales page, the sales psychology behind it is so amazing. They know how to connect. They know how to make people aware of their product before even buying it. This is giving value, guys. Showing them the product before they even buying it, what it can do and how it can generate for you. I mean, look at this. This has everything that, I mean, everything is on this. I know it's a longer sales page, but everything is here. And that's why I prefer to send people to this page, because then I say, did you really check it out? Did you check out all the details? It has everything, even frequently asked questions. What all do you need? Okay, and the beauty of it is just $37. So it's up to you guys whether you want it, whether you want to start with Online Sales Pro or you want to start with the Pro system. All I'm going to tell you is that Online Sales Pro is literally the heartbeat. And on every Wednesday, I like to talk about it, because these are the communication things that you need for any business. You need communication skills. Online Sales Pro allows you to have written communication skills. It allows you to have even actual communication skills where you're calling people, you're meeting them, you're texting them, because of the real-time app. So it combines the two main sales elements for your advantage. Now it's up to you whether this kind of method is your scope or not. Otherwise, just enjoy this testimonial, because I've been using it for literally too long. And I know that it's a heartbeat of my business, and I hope it becomes yours. Firm advocate of Online Sales Pro. The link is going to be in the description. Hit the subscribe button if you like the video and the content that you receive on the channel. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, because they surely can.